Hello students and welcome to the Sticky Situation Lab. This is the lab where we make glue. Now there are many glues that have been used for hundreds of years. This particular type of glue is called library paste. If you ever enjoyed eating glue as a kid in kindergarten, that's the type of glue we'll be making today. So in order to make it, you're going to need paper, which you're going to glue, and you need three types, 1, 2, and 3. Note that you're going to have 2 strips of each because we're going to be gluing them together. Okay? Then you need masking tape, a hole punch, paper cup, some toothpicks, a plastic spoon. This is going to be our measuring spoon, a metal spoon, which we're going to use to stir our glue, flour, water, and salt, okay, just to hold everything together. So the first thing you should do is you're going to take one of your strips of paper and you're going to put masking tape over the front of it. Okay. Basically, the whole idea of this lab, we are going to be testing the strength of our glue. Okay. So we're going to then take our strip that we've got masking tape on. We're going to punch a hole through it. So basically, we just reinforce this hole using masking tape. That's going to be important later on in our lab. Okay. So now our paper is ready. We're going to make the glue itself. Okay? So you're going to take your paper cup, and into it you're going to put 2 spoonfuls of flour. 1 flour, 2, and there we go. Okay? The next ingredient is 1 spoonful of water. Note that I did not use the flour spoon for the water, because you would never do that. That would make it really gooky and nasty, and we don't do that. Okay, so 1 spoonful of water. And lastly, a pinch of salt. Doesn't need much, just a pinch. Then we stir until we have a nice, smooth, and sticky glue. Now, sometimes you might need to add a little bit more water. Yeah, it's just not sticky enough. Okay? You need it to be smooth, like me. Okay? So we add a little teeny bit more water, just a hair. Oh, there we go. That looks like it's enough. Looks like it's coming together. This might take a few minutes to stir. Thankfully, I've prepared some glue ahead of time. Okay? Note how it's all lovely and sticky and gloopy and, yeah, kind of nasty. That's what we want. It's glue. Okay? So I've got kind of my sticky glue. Got my sheets of paper. Now, approximately about 2/3 down the piece of paper, you're going to want to glue it. You don't need much. We only want about a pea-sized chunk of glue. Just that much. Don't need much. Glue is a powerful stuff, and we're going to try to test it later to see if we can get it to break. Basically want to know which paper is the strongest for this glue. And if it doesn't break, we can't tell that. Okay? So we got our glue on our paper. We got our other strip. Put it down. Okay, our strip is glued. The glue is right about here, about 2/3 of the way down. Okay, you're going to want to do that for the other 2 pieces of paper. Okay, same exact thing, different papers. Try to make it so that the glue is the exact same spot and the exact same amount, so that we will reduce the number of variables that we have in our experiment. Okay. Then we're going to leave this aside, put it in somebody's binder, and we're going to let it dry over the weekend. Okay? This will make sure that it's totally dry for when we test it on Monday. Okay? But you're not just doing nothing right now. There are lab questions, because there is always lab questions. You want to answer questions 1 through 4 on your lab handout, and then please go and work on any makeup work or work you have left to complete. Okay? So see you next time for part 2.